Hey, it's been a minute. As you can really not tell from this angle, as you can tell, we're getting right into the nitty gritty here. We're replacing Legacy's battery. I already took the old one out. Let's get into it. Okay, like I said, we took out old Legacy's old battery, which is that thing was made November of 2020. The new battery was made in November of 2025. Fun fact for all of you: batteries can go bad. They have a life expectancy and a shelf expectancy. It's about 5 or 6 years. 5 years about max for most batteries. As such, that battery has stated is kind of done with life. So, carefully here as to not shock myself into oblivion. So you see this, mine's a side post battery, which means the posts are on the side, not up here. So, step one, I'm gonna go ahead and prime this thing. There we go, come on now. This is so much harder to do one-handed. Alright, there we go. Kind of. Get in there. You have to be difficult. Is that like your life mission? Oh, come on, there it is. Alright, give me a second. I'm going to let you guys rejoin me here in just a minute. Okay, it's been just a second or two. Got that in, and on this side, same deal. Now, why would this be important? Well, this series is called the Bo's Garage Basics, so let me explain. Number one, batteries are what power your entire vehicle. They're the lifeblood of everything. You like your Bluetooth radio? Needs a battery. You like your heated and cooled seats? It needs a battery. Battery. Now, let's discuss what some things on here say, right? Some people don't know what those things mean, so let's go into it. Oh, on this battery here, let me back up a little bit. There we go. Right here. Cold cranking amps is 600. So what that means is when it's really cold out, like the Midwest tends to get, this is how many amps it allows while it's cold. At 32, at exactly freezing, this thing has 750. Let's see here. By comparison, let's see if this battery even tells me. By comparison, this battery here has 700, and it's at 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Or 0 degrees Celsius, I think. Yep, 0 degrees Celsius, if I remember. That's 875 cold cranking amps. What does that mean? Well, you know how in the wintertime when you're really upset that your car's going and doesn't want to start? That's what cold does to batteries. This battery, while it has less, is also 5 years newer than that one. So, battery's in, right? That's it. Wrong. So, you got your handy dandy little wrench here. Without touching any metal, like I just about did, you have to tighten these down. Man, this is so much harder to do one-handed. There it is. Alright. See that little one down there? Same deal. And also make sure you have the right cables can go into the right directions. Red to red, black to black, positive to positive, negative to negative. Don't invert them. Positive, positive, negative, negative. Cool. Now, if we come around the side here, all the way around. Ah, hi DeLuca. This is Oliver's service dog. Look at that beautiful face. Yeah, hello. I know. Give me just a second, folks. Okay, with my trusty assistant here, go ahead and take the key, turn it on, turn everything off. and it fires up like it's nothing. Yeah, that thing's gonna make noise. Anyways, what do you think, DeLuca? Is that gonna help the people? I think it will. So, that's as simple as that. All you gotta do is take off the positive and negative leads to your battery, take out the battery, put the new battery in, reconnect the battery, turn the key, boom, done. Where? Running. Perfect. That little gauge there, either your best friend or you're gonna hate it. Right now, we're on good speaking terms. So, make sure you like, subscribe. If you see us on TikTok, follow. If for somehow you see this on Twitch, follow me too. Maybe I'll do one of these for a Twitch live event. Who knows? That would be absolutely incredibly crazy. That said, small, short little video for you. Another Bo's Garage basics out of the way. Just changing your battery. Have a good day, everybody. Oh, and DeLuca, you got anything for him? No? Let's say you want them to like and subscribe. Yeah? Alright then. Take care, everyone.